Hi students, welcome to Narayana virtual classes. Today our amazing assignments in class 8 physics related to force. So let us move on to the first question. Define normal force. So normal force is the contact force. So whenever two surfaces are in contact, the force exerted by the two surfaces, the force which is perpendicular to the surface, that is called normal force. So see the diagram. So it is the body is at rest position. The normal force is perpendicular to the surface of contact. Suppose there is no contact, there is no normal force. If there is no contact between the two surfaces, there is no normal force. So whenever two surfaces are in contact, the force is exerted by the two surfaces. So that is which is always perpendicular to the surface. Suppose it is the inclined plane, then which is perpendicular to the surface. It is the inclined plane, then it is the perpendicular to the surface. It is the plane surface, always perpendicular to the surface. So this is the first question. Let us move on to the next question. Give the examples of contact force and force at a distance. So force at a distance is nothing but the non-contact force. So first of all, the forces are two types: contact force, non-contact force. So the contact force, the two surfaces are in contact, the force exert, that force is contact force. Then what is the example of contact force? Simply we can tell, so the pushing the chair is the example of contact force. And non-contact force, there is no direct contact with the two surfaces, but the force of attraction between them, like gravitational force, magnetic force. So these all are electrostatic force, examples of the force at a distance. Say yes or no? So that is the non-contact forces. So the non-contact force example, the examples of the contact force is pushing a chair. Example of non-contact force is what is the apple falling from the tree? Apple falling from the tree. So that is the example of non-contact force. So then let us move on to the third question. So what is the force? Simply we know what is that: pull or push is called force. So force can create the motion. Force is the physical cause which can change the state of your body. So we cannot see the force directly, say yes or no, but we can feel the effects of force. We can feel the effects of force. What are the effects of force? We can observe what changes can be produced by the force. So force is push or pull is the force. So force can change the direction, force can change the shape of the object. Okay, so force can change the state of the object from rest to motion, motion to rest, from motion to rest and rest to motion. So these are the effects of forces. So we cannot able to see the force, but we can feel the effects of force. So that is the third question. Okay, so next, move on to the next question. State the example of situations mentioned below. The what force changes the speed of the object, changes the shape of the object. So change the speed of the object. Suppose kicking a football. So it is the example of effects of force. It is the change the speed of the object. So when we kick the football, it changes the object. It changes the speed of the object. So that is the effects of force, the first example. Next, move on to the B. So change the shape of the object. So what is that? It is a stretching a rubber band. It is the example for the changes the state of the object. It is one of the effects of forces, effects of force. And next we move on to the 4 marks question. A book is placed on the table, is at rest. Is the force of friction acting on it or not? Explain it why. So suppose for example, I am keeping the object on the horizontal table. So it is the equilibrium position. Upward the normal force is acting, which is perpendicular to the surface. and weight mg is acting downward direction. It is in the equilibrium. It is at rest position. So first of all you have to know about the book is placed on the table is at rest means it is nothing but equilibrium state. It is nothing but the net force is equal to 0. Net force equal to 0. Okay, net force is equal to 0. Okay, equal and opposite forces acting on the body. The total forces, net force is equal to 0. They asked the friction is acting on it or not. So definitely it is acting. So suppose it is the object I kept on the table. So the table is not a smooth surface, it having some irregularities, some interlocking system. So the both surfaces not the smooth surfaces. So yes or no? So both having some irregularities. So due to that irregularities, so both should interlock. Okay, so what is the cause of friction here? So the irregularities are the cause of friction. So here the frictional force holding the object. So yes or no? So if there is no friction, it is a very smooth surface. It is may chance to fall. So that's why the friction is definitely will be the two surfaces are in contact. The frictional force is also a contact force. So it is the 4 marks question. So thank you everyone.